One of the most famous equations, which has really changed the perception of the people in the modern physics, was A = mc². Everything in this world which has a mass can be converted to energy. In the same way, energy can also be converted to mass also. So energy and mass are one and the same thing. The equation A = mc² also leads to the same conclusion. Energy is measured in joules. Let's try to understand the equation with the help of an example. Let's take a pencil and see how much energy it really has. Assume it has a mass of 10 grams. When we put this figure in the equation, this figure turns out to be in trillions. And how much is this energy? This energy is sufficient to lit a 100 watts bulb for around 300,000 years. So using this equation, if we find out how much energy a human body, with average weight of around 70 kilograms has, it will be more than 70,000 times energy produced than nuclear bomb dropped at Nagasaki. The formula also helps us understand why the stars don't run out of fuel for billions of years. This is called nuclear fusion reaction. In this process, two nucleuses combine and make one nucleus. But the mass of new nucleus is less than total mass of the two nucleuses with which it was formed. The rest is the energy formed. Actually, when two hydrogen atoms fuse and make one helium atom, a little amount of energy is produced, which is the difference between the total mass of hydrogen atoms and new mass helium atom. But taken together, this energy is huge. Helium atoms also combine and make a carbon atom. Carbon atoms also combine and make some other material, and this process goes on until iron atoms are produced. As iron atoms cannot fuse further, so they settle down in the core of the sun. Very high temperature and gravity at sun make this process happen, which does not happen at Earth. So this equation also helped us to justify the given age of the universe. But what is the role of c in this equation? As you may already be aware, that c denotes speed of light. So, why we have to multiply the mass by speed of light to determine how much energy is bound up inside it? The reason behind it is that whenever we convert any mass to pure energy, the resulting energy by definition is moving at the speed of light. It may be light, or X-ray, or electromagnetic radiation, which always travels at the speed of light. But why we have to square the speed of light? It has relation with the basic nature of energy. When something is moving 2 times as fast as something else, it doesn't have 2 times the energy, rather it has 4 times the energy. In other words, that figure is squared. So speed of light squared is the conversion factor that decides just how much energy lies within a mass. And because the speed of light squared becomes a huge number, the amount of energy bound up into the smallest mass is truly mind-blowing. Hope you may have understood the equation and how it is worked out.